Go to jamovi.org, download, choose what you need, Windows or Mac. I have a PC myself. Locate the file on your computer and right-click the file and select Run as administrator. Click on this Window button. Use your mouse wheel to scroll and select Jamovi. This is the user interface. To find a great introduction to Jamovi, Google for Learning Statistics with Jamovi. It's a document written by Navarro and Foxcroft. Download and read this PDF file for a quality learning experience. It's available for free with the option to make a voluntary donation. Jamovi runs on top of another older software called R. But don't worry, when you install Jamovi, it includes a copy of R. Both Jamovi and R are totally free. If you happen to have another copy of R already installed, it's still no problem. It's okay to have two versions of R installed at the same time. Please subscribe or click that like button if you enjoyed my video. Goodbye.